Hi, welcome back. After a long time, I am back with another lesson. So today uh, we are going to learn about this use of have been and has been. And we are going to learn the tense that is present perfect continuous. So now let me go to the slide. So here you can see present perfect continuous. So you can see present perfect continuous. So here we are talking about an action uh, that has been completed up to a certain time period, but it's still continuing. It's going on, right? Present perfect continuous. So that's the meaning of that. So now here I have given you the usage. We use this tense to tell about an action that started in the past, completed for a certain time period up to now, but still continuing. So within brackets, I have mentioned still having its effect. So what is the usage? What is the use? It's used to tell about an action that started in a past time period, completed for a certain time period, but still continuing. For now, here there is this formation. We always use this have been and has been. Been, B-double-E-N, been, you know that it is the past participle form of be. Be was been. So here it is used been to show that this is perfect tense. So the subject and then have been and then has been plus the verb plus ing. Right. So let me tell you something. Now, we all know that has been is used with he, she, it. He, she, it. Those third person singular ones, we use has been. So with the others, we use have been. I have been. You have been. They have been. We have been. Right? All right. So the first sentence I have given here is, I have been learning English since my childhood. I have been learning English since my childhood. Still learning. So within brackets, I have mentioned still learning because we are still learning that it's continuing. But this started in my childhood. It started in my childhood. Now I am an adult, but I am still learning. So you can see that the continuation. So you can see a timeline drawn here in the bottom. Now there is this past, present is there, then future. So present perfect continuous, it starts here somewhere in the past and it passes the present and continues up to the future. So it is continuing. So you can see the continuation through this arrow, present perfect continuous. So it covers a bit a longer time period, right? So the second sentence, I have been working in this company for 5 years. So I am there and that particular company is there. So for 5 years, I have been there, still working in that company. So I haven't stopped working there. So it's still working there. So uh, I say, I have been working in this company for 5 years. I have been working in this company for 5 years. Right. So then we go to another example. Now the third one, you can see has used here. Has. We know that has can be used with he, she, it. He, she, it. So here we have it. It has been raining since last night. So it's still raining. It started last night. Since last night up to now, it is raining. So it has been raining since last night. So up to now, it is happening, right? So then this one, she has been studying all day. She has been studying all day. So now it is like end of the day, but she is still studying. So she has studied throughout the day. So that we can see the continuation here. So she has been studying. We say she has been studying. So now someone is wasting their time. Wasting. It is their habit. It has been happening for some time. So we say you have been wasting your time. You have been wasting your time. For a period of time, it has happened like that. So you say you have been wasting your time. Then the final sentence, they have been telling this for a long time. They have been telling this for a long time. They are still telling about that. So it started some time ago, and still it's like that. So this is the present perfect continuous tense. So this is a little bit complex, but there's nothing much. The things that you have to remember are that we have to always use have been and has been. So has been is used with he, she, it, and have been used with I, we, you, they. Yes. And then to the verb, you have to add ing. That is a must. To the verb, you have to add ing because this is a continuous one. So present, perfect, continuous. So that is how we get this one. We have been discussing about this matter, right? So it has been happening for some time. Still we are discussing. So like that, something like that. So uh, you may have noticed this sentence pattern or the tense used by speakers. So when they want to highlight the continuation uh, or that it has been carried out for certain period of time, so we use present perfect continuous, right? So now if we ask a question from this, then we take this have or has to the front. So now if I ask a question from this one, have I been learning English since my childhood? Have I been learning? So we say, yes, I have been learning English since my childhood. has it been raining since last night? So the question form it is, has it been rain? Has she been studying? So that is the question. Has she been studying? Yes, she has been studying. Right. So that's it. Right. Uh, so we'll get more familiar with the sentence pattern by making more and more sentences. So hoping to meet you in another new lesson. Till then, keep in touch, be safe.